What's up? What's up? This is actor Michael Gladden from NBC's Good Girls, and I had the opportunity earlier this year to experience Christine Horn's booking magnet training session, and I gotta tell you, look, it is a very deep dive into planning out what you want and how to get it in your acting career. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, hey, I know how to plan. I can write some stuff down. You know what I'm saying? Could put it down here, there, whatever. But let me tell you right now, at least that's what I thought. But let me tell you, when I took it, I was like, wow, this is really, really good, because not only did it show me what wasn't working, it also showed me what I wasn't doing that would work. And this is the third month in the year, and I'm telling you, I was able to get rid of some things that wasn't working and really put to work the other stuff, and I can see a big difference. So I'm just going to give you some good advice. Take the class. Take the class. Don't let me tell you again. Take the class. You know what I'm saying?